I think Wooster's Culture Show is an event that allows students from different countries to showcase their cultures to people of the Wooster community.
We welcome all of you beautiful people from all over the world.
It really allows us to share with people like what exactly we do in our different countries. Because there's a sense of like togetherness and everything, it doesn't make people shy. It always gives them the confidence and boost that they need to, portray what they have in their country.
There's so many people that come to Worcester. If everyone comes from all these different countries and we don't talk about it, it almost defeats the purpose of having this intermixture. And so that kind of cross-pollination is what we look for and what we're trying to do.
I say this all the time, I did not come to America to meet more Indians. Like there's 1.5 billion of us already in India, I'm always surrounded by them. If you just go a little out of your comfort zone to get to know these people, your conversations just become so much more diverse and interesting. The first thing that comes to mind is Selvam from the African Student Union. Oh my God, what a performer.
We generally wear clothes with a lot of color and a lot of African print, because usually at very important events we tend to dress out so that people can recognize what we are doing.
We had the Russian suite who did Rasputin, and I thought that was funny. They dressed up in costumes and there were babushkas and stuff like that. And there was the Chinese group. I think they did they sort of mixed contemporary and traditional dance together, and I thought that was cool. They had their lion in there, and it was really cool.
This year we had 900 people there. I think it's the biggest event on campus.
That's why you should come, to feel like you're part of this bigger Worcester community, and they're all enjoying the diversity that we have on campus. You don't want to miss out on that feeling.